What is the difference between the demo and the original version of WinOLS? The EVC company has restricted several features in the demo version, including checksum correction. But the primary reason you cannot use the demo version for work is that when you remap in the demo environment, there is no option to export the file or save it. Instead, the original version allows you to save the remap file and write it onto the ECU. Well, for training, we run the demo version that we already installed. It should be noted that in terms of features and settings, there is no difference between the demo and the original version. In order to be able to work with the software correctly and efficiently, you need to make a series of initial changes in the settings. Well, first you import the file into WinOLS. Then, press F12 and enter the configuration menu. In this section, you can make the initial settings. You can select the color and theme you want from the color section. We choose the Windows option here. Click with height color from the 3D section to display the three-dimensional tables in color. Also, in the 2D view, we disable this option. And from the map search section, if the use of statistical map recognition and search maps in the current version was not marked, click on their check mark. Then, highlight the area and right-click and select the rectangle option from the selection mode. By doing this, you can choose the desired location as follows. There are other things like language selection or options for an online operation that you will not need right now. These are the primary WinOLS settings. Then save the changes and close the window.